Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick here, and gonna do a weekly update. Come on up, Willie. You can be in the video if you want to. Here's Willie. So I have a couple of whips to look at that I finished up, and after that I have an unboxing. I got a present in the mail today. I'm excited. But first things first. This was my first attempt at a corner-to-corner knitting project, and it was just going to be a baby blanket. So that is finished. It's I just used a regular old garter stitch, nothing fancy. Pretty pleased with the way it worked out. It's just the right size for a baby blanket. And I told my husband, when I look at it, the colors make me think of those. They were kind of like a popsicle, but they were covered with like pink and white sprinkles, and they had like pink strawberry filling in them. We used to get them at school, but he knew exactly what I was talking about. I wish I knew what they were called, but that's what it reminds me of. So I'll give you a close-up of that. Hopefully you can see it on the camera. Okay, so that's one whip done with my corner-to-corner extravaganza. I have another corner-to-corner project, and it's almost done. I worked on it all day yesterday. I literally did nothing but crochet and watch TV all day. So it's good that it's almost done, because I am running out of all of the colors in this scrap blanket. I'm gonna try to hold it up. It's pretty good size. Willie, will you model it for me? Maybe I should stand up with this one. So it's a pretty good size. I'm glad I didn't go any bigger though, because I really do feel that I would have run out of yarn. I'm just about out, and I don't know if you've seen the other videos leading up to this one. But this is basically all the yarn I have left. This is it. I have nothing left in the stash, with the exception of some sock yarn. And obviously I can't use sock yarn for this sort of a blanket. But I was eager to just use it all up so I could start fresh. So that is almost done, and hopefully I have enough yarn to finish it. I know I'll have enough of the red and the blue, but I don't want the last corner to just be red and blue. So I'm trying to space it out. So that is the end of that project update. And next, we will open my box. I can't wait. Are you as excited as I am, Willie? You don't look super excited. Are you excited at all? I don't think he is. Okay, so this is my present. Premier Yarns. Oh, there's the label. I thought, how did they know where to send it? I couldn't find a label on it. So let's open this up. Got my box cutter here. Hopefully I won't cut any yarn. This is not the first time I have ordered through Premier Yarns. I have ordered through Premier before. Just once I ordered sock yarn through Premier. So let's see. This is a yarn that I've never used before, and I wanted to try it out, and obviously my stash is gone. So let's see how we do here. Yay! Yarn! This is called, oh, Willie's nervous. Okay, so this is called Premier Basix. Pete, can you see that on the camera? Got my cameraman here. He's giving me the thumbs up. So this is Premier Basix. It's worsted weight yarn. It's size 4. And it's pretty sure it's just all acrylic. Let me look at one that's already not in a plastic wrap. Let's see. So this color is called Garnet, which makes me think of my younger sister because that's her birthstone. Trying to find out. Yes, it's 100% acrylic. 200 grams. It feels pretty soft. I was hoping to find something like the Studio by Nicole, and this looks like it's pretty close. I think Studio by Nicole is a little fluffier, but that's okay. Oh, this is a little unnerving. I hope I didn't do that. I don't know how I could have, but it looks like it's cut. I noticed it here because there were two pieces that were cut on this yarn. So that's a little scary. And this was underneath the plastic wrapped. This was underneath this. This was on top and I had cut there. I hope I didn't cut that, but you can see, oh dear. I have a feeling I cut that yarn. All right, well, there's a lesson learned. Be very careful when opening your box. Oh no, I really think I did that. Oh, well, all right, well, we'll move on. I'll try to get over my distress. Oh, I hate that. I did that. Okay, so Premier Basics. So this color is called, can I see the color? Crepe. So I have crepe and I have garnet. I hope that I only cut like one layer. Hope I didn't go far down. I wanted to get a few different colors. I miss colors. You know, making that scrap blanket, I was so sad that I didn't have any yellows or oranges. I really love bright colors. So this one is called Nutmeg. Premier Basics Nutmeg. This one, oh, it's kind of odd how that's wrapped. I don't know, a little concerned about that. This color is Leaf. Not sure if you can see the colors very well. It's like a very dark green, like a forest green. Ooh, I love this color. This is Eggplant. Very pretty. And they are soft. For an acrylic yarn, they're nice and soft. This is, I think it looks like denim. Oh, that is the name of it. That's funny. Denim. So let's see. I never know how well you can see the colors on the screen. And one more. This one is Mustard. So got a lot of loose ends with this yarn. I'm so sad that I cut that yarn with my box cutter. Willie, can you believe I did that? You probably can believe I did that. So here's the last one. It's Mustard. So I'm very excited to start a new project. It'll probably be another Afghan, but I think it's going to be a knit Afghan. I saw a neat pattern that uses single color. So I believe it's actually 2 rows, 1 row down, 1 row back, and then in between all of the same color. So I think I was going to use the crepe and then alternate the other colors. So yeah, Premier Yarns. I do think I cut that. I don't think that was a manufacturer issue. I think I cut that yarn. So I don't want anybody to think that Premier did that because I really think it was me. But yeah, I'm very happy with the order. Everything is here and really inexpensive. I mean, these are $3 skeins of yarn. That's really inexpensive. So we'll give it a try and I will keep you posted on my progress for that. I I think that's all I've got for today. I really, I've been getting busy at work again, so I haven't had as much time to do yarn stuff, which makes me a little sad, but it feels good to be getting back to work. I don't know if you can hear my dog. He's walking around. He just wants attention. And you don't want to be in the video anymore. Is that it? Can you come up and say goodbye? No? All right. Well, I'll say goodbye for you, Willie. So I hope you have a great day and stay safe and wash your hands a lot. I cannot wait until this is all over. Wash your hands, wear your masks, and have a great day. Stay healthy and happy. Can you say goodbye?